Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to first set up your Samsung S24. To this operation, click on the blue button. Next, you're going to choose your language which you want to get on a phone. In this case, you're going to go English. Agree to all. Yep. Set up manually. Connect to your Wi-Fi if you have some to get actualization with your phone. So we'll try to connect with our Wi-Fi. That's it. Now we have to wait and restart the device to set up provider of our phone. So keep patient and just wait until the phone will turn on one more time. That's it, the phone is now restarting. Okay, and now we can connect to mobile network if you have the SIM card in it. Now preparing for a mobile connection. Now we don't have any mobile connection, so we're gonna connect with our Wi-Fi in this case. So we're gonna set up later in the settings. Get your phone ready. It may take a few minutes. Some device, of course, information that's needed for a setup will be sent to Google, your operator and their partners. Okay, now you can copy all your data from your phone. If not, don't want to copy, done it. That's it. Now you can sign in to your Google account. If not, you can skip it. Then more and accept. Choose your search engine. I'm gonna choose this searching engine, and you can protect your phone by face recognition, fingerprints, PIN, password or pattern. I won't take any of the protects, so I can skip anyway. Now you can add your account of Samsung account. If not, set up later in settings. Skip it. Now the legal information, you can agree one more time. Choose the display mode, light or dark, whatever you want. Click on a next. You can get the recommended apps from your provider. Okay, I always disable all the apps because I like the fresh phone without any application. And that's it, finished. And voila, your phone is set up, ready to work, and the first setup is completed. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.